Hello everyone, welcome to Touch to Click. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn off all animations in PowerPoint so you can present your slides smoothly without any distracting effects. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open PowerPoint on your PC and load your presentation. PowerPoint is the software used to create and present slideshows for meetings, classes, or projects. Opening your existing presentation is important because the changes will apply to the current file. Step 2. Click on the Slideshow tab located at the top of the PowerPoint window. The Slideshow tab contains all the settings related to how your presentation runs during a slideshow. This section is important because it allows you to control display options and presentation behavior. Step 3. Select Setup Slideshow in the Slideshow tab. This option opens a dialog box where you can customize how the slideshow is presented. It gives you control over features like looping, narration, and animation settings. Step 4. In the Setup Show dialog box, under Show Options, check the box that says Show Without Animation. This setting disables all animations in the presentation while presenting the slides. It is useful when you want a simple, distraction-free slideshow experience. Step 5. Click OK to apply and save the settings for the presentation. Clicking OK confirms your changes and ensures the slideshow will run without animations. This final step completes the process and prepares your presentation for a smooth display. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful videos.